Nengi breaks down in tears after Ozo ignored her at the Saturday night party.
How the fuck would people ignore her like that? No. Come here.
No, the fact that it wasn't just me that noticed, like, even Laycon.
Yeah, everybody noticed. They ignored me too. They ignored me too. They ignored him. They ignored her.
Wasn't that the first time I came to
every fucking body.
Is somebody ignoring you here?
You hear me?
Because everybody ignored me, and even the people I come in my
Nengi, but what did I fucking tell you from day one?
Big Brother Naija Season 5 Lockdown Housemate Nengi has broken down in tears after ex-housemate, most especially Ozo, who joined the top 5 finalists at the final Saturday night party in Lockdown House, ignored her. Biggie decided to surprise the top 5 housemates Laycon, Nengi, V, Dorathyand and by inviting the 15 evicted housemates into the house to party with them. Although the party, which was held in the arena, made Biggie to restrict the evicted housemates from coming in contact with top 5 housemates, Nengi after the party came into the main house and complained to co-housemates Laycon, V and Dorothy that she observed Ozo, Kidwaya and most of the other evicted housemates ignore her at the party room.
We are all finalists. I can never ever take that from you. You know what I mean? You are my sister.
You hear me?
I can never lie to you.
Everybody, come here.
Okay, everybody would ignore me, or some will ignore me too.
It doesn't matter. You are a finalist.
Nengi.
Nengi.
Like, really, fuck them.
Nengi.
Yeah.
Nengi. It does not matter. I'm telling you. I'm telling you.
Having seen the housemates cheering up with Laycon, Dorothy and V, it came to Nengi's notice that most of them didn't want to give her attention. While she broke down in tears, Nengi expressed her disappointment seeing who she took as best friend ignore her. However, Laycon told Nengi that Ozo must have watched some videos of what she said from outside the house, which gave him the boldness to ignore her that way. Nengi vowed to disconnect herself from any friendship with Ozo as soon as she steps outside the house.
You, in your
I said I was trying to talk to Ozo, he was ignoring me.
Ozo, you talk to you house?
Yes.
Yo, guy, you didn't notice.
Ignore Nengi.
Guy, you didn't notice. I was trying to talk to Ozo, he was ignoring me. See, guy, when I leave here, that friendship, whatever it was, is over. Do you understand?
Meanwhile, later today, being Sunday, September 27, Big Brother Naija Season 5 winner will emerge among Dorothy, Laycon, Nengi, V and The winner will go home with grand prize worth 85 million, which includes a cash prize of 30 million naira. Who do you think will emerge winner today?